Okay, here he is, my finished Booooook. So, if I could do it again, and I might do another one again, just for if you guys want a DIY on me doing a step-by-step on how did I actually make this guy, I can do that. But let me know, comment below if that's what you want. He is functioning, so he does function. It would function better if I had two hands right now, but he is a pop-up book style, so his little eye moves back and forth via these little tabs right here. You just pull black to make him go left and pull the pink or the red to make him go right. And yeah, so he's got his little movement. It was really important for me that he look around. Again, I'm holding my camera, so if I had somebody else holding the camera, I can make it look a lot more smooth. It's got a pretty smooth action. This is my first time doing anything like that. If I could do these again, I would have made them on wax paper and then transferred them over. I made them out of hot glue, and I made them out of gold hot glue. Gold hot glue does not stick to its shape. It likes to spread out. I would have used regular hot glue instead. My idea for using the gold hot glue was that if the paint wore off, it would still be gold underneath, so it would still look cool. But honestly, for functionality, I probably would have rather build it in the clear hot glue on wax paper, and then if I really wanted it gold, I could have done a thin layer of gold over it and it would have encased it, and then I could glue it and apply it directly to here, because the designs just kind of liked to flatten out a little bit more than I would have liked. But you know, for my first time trying this, I didn't have any kind of directions. I just kind of went off of what I thought would be cool. I'm really happy with it. Same with this, I could have measured it out just a little bit better and done it a little bit cleaner if I had done it on wax paper and then peeled it off and transferred it here. The stitching, I did the stitching before I applied the leather to the book, and this is faux leather, and I did get this faux leather from Dollar Tree. Let's see, the inside. So I did go ahead and buy an $8 printable pack from Etsy. Somebody had made this little bit and this little bit. The only thing they didn't have was the cat's curse, so I went ahead and made my own cat's curse on, what is it called? Not Canvas. Canva? On Canva, I believe. Now my printer was running out of ink. These were supposed to be red and blue, and they came out all crazy, but I kind of like it anyways. It doesn't matter. And then I went ahead and aged my paper, putting some instant coffee in a spray bottle with water and just spritzing the paper until I liked it. Also, if I could do it again, the printout was sideways on the page. So each of these was a half page no matter what I did. If I could have figured out how to orient it so that they were a full page and I didn't have to glue them out, that would have been great. There's another printable lady on there who has one that is a 111-page book. That's supposedly the entire Sanderson sisters book. So if anybody ever wanted me to make them one of these books, I would go ahead and spend the $38 on that and print out the whole book for them, because this is a faux book up until this point. This is all casing for the inner workings for the face. And although it would have to have casings for the inner working for the little eye to move, I could still add more actual pages to it. And then I have stitched the pages, if you can see, they are stitched in there. Let's see. I really like this page. That was the first one that printed when I still had ink. And then, so this is the one that I made on Canva real quick. It's not great, but it's not horrible, and it's better than not having it in there, because I wanted it in there, you know. And then it gives me a couple extra little pages, and I'm just going to write a little cute note to my friend on the very back one, because this is going to be a gift, because my friend is throwing together a Hocus-pocus party. So I wanted to make her a little memento, a little something for her Hocus-pocus party, and this is what I came up with. Alright everybody, make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you aren't following me on Instagram, and if you want the full DIY, hit me up and I will go ahead and make one. But if you don't leave a comment, I've got other things I want to make, so I will either move on to new projects or I will redo this guy for you. Alright, talk to you all later. Bye.